everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have this Viva Ease vacuum trimmer. So this trimmer has a built-in vacuum compartment. You can see there's the compartment to hold the hair, which is pretty cool. Usually when I trim this, all of this area is a mess with hair clippings all over the place. So this has a beard comb as well as a facial hair comb. So like a 1 to 10 millimeter, and then you have the bigger one for like the 11 to 20 meters, so a millimeter, so two combs, and you just kind of twist this to increase the height of your comb. So let's get to 10. So this is the maximum on this one. So this is the distance of 10 millimeter, of course. Combs, you have a little brush included, you have a little USB-C charger included. To swap these out, all you have to do is kind of extend it out all the way, and then you just pull on it, and you can see it comes out, and you can put the other one on. I'm gonna use that 1 to 10 millimeter one. By default, it should have a travel lock, so we can press and hold for 3 seconds, and you can see it's counting down. And now you're ready to use it. You can hear the vacuum running. So let's see how it works. Okay, so you'll be able to see the hair fall on my clothes here. Let's see. It's collecting quite a few of the hair, but it's not necessarily all of it. It says that it's going to collect 95% of the hair, so we'll see if it did collect anywhere close to that. It does do a pretty good job of combing through the beard hair and trimming. I'm not feeling any snagging or pulling, so it seems like, at least from the factory, the blades are pretty sharp, and it's not causing any tangling or anything like that. You can see that my clothes really don't have much hair. I do have some on the sink and the box over here. It's not too bad. I'll show you once I'm done so you can have an idea of what's going on here. Oh, so there was a second stronger vacuum setting. So see, it gets stronger. So I wish I would have known that. I would have used a stronger one. I guess it pays to read the manual. Okay. I'm gonna take the guard out now, and we're gonna go ahead and trim without the guard, and we'll do the stronger section. I am impressed with how close of a trim it gives without the guard. So you can see I don't even need to shave really. It got all the hair there. Super close trim there. You can see it's pretty clean. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how much hair we have in here. So you just kind of slide this out, the compartment, and I'll show you the hair. Okay, so these are the hair that are collected in the compartment here. It's a pretty good amount. You can see, let's say it's probably 85% to 90%, which is a pretty good amount. You can see some hair kind of where my phone was sitting, and then on the counter as well. Of course, not nearly enough to cause a clog in your drain. Typically, this would all be in here, and I would vacuum it before I run the drain out, clean the drain with the water or sink with the water so that I don't clog up the drains. But now all I have to do is go in the trash can and just dump it out, and you can see it comes off pretty easy. Tap a few times to get it all out. You can rinse it off as well if you want, and you can use the brush included to get the rest out in the trash can as well. Yes, it definitely works really well. Definitely happy with how sharp the blades are, how close of a trim it gives. Yeah, I recommend this. Honestly, I was skeptical, but this works pretty well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.